G'day guys, welcome back. We're just doing a little update today. Bought the Convict home. This is my Gasser, 1959 Vauxhall Victor Gasser. For those of you who are like new subscribers and don't really know too much about this. So we got a meeting in about a month, quarter-mile drag meet, and just brought it home. I've got to do a few little jobs on it to get it ready to race again. So yeah, I'll show you a little bit about the car. Underneath here, one of the jobs I've got to do is I find that the rear end's walking a little bit on the launch, so I'm going to try and hook up a panhard bar while it's here in some sort of bracket off here and up there to the chassis. So that's one job to get done, and then just a bit of general maintenance around the engine and that sort of thing.
So what setup are you running at the moment, dude?
Well, it's got a blown 250Q crossflow forwards, inline 6, Wiren 177 blower, 650 Holly double pumper. It's on methanol. C4 gearbox with a 5200 stall in it, and it's actually a Dana 30 rear end out of a Volvo.
Sweet.
Running, I think it's a 3.73 ratio.
Yep. And what sort of power is it putting out at the rear wheels from the last dyno run?
The last dyno would be doing about 240 at the wheels.
Yeah.
But the timing was, it's got a boost retard timing on it, and that was wound right up, so it was pulling heaps of timing out. And since then we've gone, I think with that, after that dyno run, we did a 103 mile an hour or something, top speed on the quarter, and I've since done 113, I think.
Yeah, so pulling the timing out.
Oh, just leaving some more timing in it, yeah.
Yeah.
I shouldn't really need to pull any out with methanol, but I've just been a little bit cautious.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if I go to Swan Hill, I'm just hoping to get that 11-second pass, which I should do reasonably easily this time. I did a 12:06 last time I took it out, and just absolutely stuffed the run and didn't go full length. So
yeah. So you're chasing a 11-second?
Yeah. I should do that fairly easily, I think.
I reckon you should.
What else we got to do? We got to pull. We put a back seat in it and a passenger seat for some of that, and we put some lights and stuff in it. So we might rip a heap of that stuff out just to get the weight down.
Lighten the back up.
Yeah. Other than that, this will be the first time we take the truck down there.
Yeah, the combo.
Done a big road trip in that. So it's a 81, I think, 81 Toyota Dyna truck, and it's actually got a forward crossflow motor as well, the same as the Convict.
Duo?
Yeah. So we've got to do oil change on the truck today, and then that's basically all we're doing this combo today, and then we're going to go and have another look at the mini rod and try and get it fired up again today.
Yep, sweet as.
Anyway, I'll start the truck up and back it out. That's the heart of the beast. Yeah, like I said, Ford 250 Cube Crossflow out of about a 80 Model 4 or 81. Homemade manifold. Got videos on that, how I made the manifold. We just did a new pulley setup, the serpentine belt. Yeah, anyway, we'll check over it all. Make sure it's all good. I'll probably have to pull the carby down and clean it out. I sort of didn't run any fuel through it and left the methanol sitting in it, so hopefully it's not too bad.
It's alright.
Yeah, what do we got inside here? I've got to pull this passenger seat out. I also bought this. I'm going to look at trying to mount this somewhere here, because I can't afford a trans brake. I just want to run this in line to the rear calipers on the diff, so that I can have the rear brakes pulled on, because the front tyres are too little. They don't sort of hold it on the line. You can't stall it up as much as possible. So hopefully that way I can hold that rear brake pressure on, stall it up, and then let go off the line. And
sweet. So it's got a 5 grand stall in it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet as. So hopefully that should allow you to get.
Yeah.
You might even get a wheel off the ground.
Yeah, who knows.
Hopefully it hasn't been able to do it since Since the engine swap, the Mighty 202 is the only one that could do it.
A hell of a lot quicker, but. So this is the ignition setup. It's running a Crane High 6R Fireball ignition, and this is the separate boost retard module. So that's reference to the manifold pressure and pulls out a certain degree of timing per PSI boost. So at the minute I've got it pulling out about, I think that's about 1.6 degrees of timing per pound of boost.
Yeah, right.
So if it's still running 12 or 13 pound, it's pulling out 20 plus degrees.
Yeah.
Which is heaps. So I'll just progressively wind that back to nearly nothing, listen for detonation, and should make an absolute huge difference to the mile per hour on the top end.
Sweet.
Yeah. So that's that. Let's go and have a quick look at the mini rod while we're going. A bit of time getting the engine back in and modifying it and putting a different radiator on it. The old one was pretty blocked up. So I got, it was a 250 Kawasaki or something we got the radiator out of the mate. Mitch gave to me.
Hell of a lot smaller, but...
Yeah, it's a bit smaller, but a newer and more efficient sort of design. So we've now got that all hooked up. It's got the radiator cap there, little thermostat in the back here. So it runs the coolant through the turbo as well, back in through the heads. So I'm hoping that should be all good. I just re-welded all, made some new ones of these with, instead of just a paper gasket seal in there holding it in, I'll throw some photos up, but yeah, I drilled some hole saw sort of holes that we can put O-rings in there. So now they've got O-rings in there that should seal it up really well. Just got to put a couple of clamps on here and put a bit of fuel in it and just clip all the wiring back in, and then we're going to try and fire it up today and just check that everything's all good before I pull that manifold off again and paint it up. But yeah, it's starting to look really tidy.
And what are a few of the other things we got going on for the dash and stuff like that?
Yeah, well, we got the dash out of the old the Kawasaki. It's a twin cylinder as well, so I'm hoping the tacho will still work. We won't be revving it that high, but temp gauge, we can hook that up along with the neutral light and oil light and that sort of thing. And also got something to pick up today. This little boost gauge. You want to have some sort of idea. Yes, it'll go in there somewhere. Boost gauge as well. I have some sort of idea how much boost it's making.
Sweet.
Yeah, God knows. Hopefully lots.
Yeah. Hopefully not too much. Cool.
Yeah, so anyway, that's it for today guys. Just a quick little update on where we're at. Things are still happening. And yeah, hopefully we can give you another video of this thing fired up again soon.
Sweet. We made boost too.
Yeah.
Yeah.